Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vowstone Anime Vanguard full guide. Begin by installing the mod with the provided installer and backing up your saves immediately. Verify the game version matches the mod requirements and check file integrity before launching. If you use a mod manager, enable Vowstone there and resolve any load order prompts. To master core mechanics, focus on the Vanguard meter and timing windows for parries and counters. Practice chain combos in a safe arena to feel rhythm and cancel animations deliberately. Stance transitions amplify damage and open combo branches, so commit to learning a few consistent routines. Watch enemy tells to predict attacks and charge your meter efficiently. Small improvements in timing and positioning will make a major difference in combat performance. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as a handy companion for in-game music and voice timers, and it pairs nicely with headset setups. It's a small upgrade that keeps your atmosphere lively while you practice combos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Crafting a custom build starts with picking skills that match your playstyle and Vanguard synergies. Allocate attributes to improve weapon scaling and skill effectiveness, focusing on 2 or 3 core stats. Equip gear that fills defensive or offensive gaps and test the setup in different encounters to validate its strengths. Iterate based on performance and tweak loadouts for boss fights, mobility needs, or ranged engagements to stay versatile and effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.